Imagine yourself in this GMC 2020 Terrain SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are infotainment package 2, memory package, preferred package, trailering equipment, 2 USB data ports with SD card reader, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and HD radio. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.